What is going on, you guys? Happy New Year, I would say. It's almost months away that we had the new year. It's 2021. It is new year, it's a new start, new beginning, or maybe not. Maybe it's just a continuation of everything. But anyways, I hope you guys had an awesome December and you guys are healthy and you're feeling good and you feel positive and you don't care so much about all that negativity we have with all that being at home all the time, COVID and stuff, that you guys made the fullest out of that. I hope you guys doing fine. I just wanted to give you an update for 2021 basically, about this channel, about me, what I'm about to plan or what I'm actually not planning. And I felt that I wanted to make this video. I was really thinking a lot about making a video where I talk about, okay, that was my wrap up, that's my plan. I thought like wrapping 220 up was kind of unnecessary just because of me being so present over 2 months continuously with the vlogging and everything. Also, the whole project which we finished in December, the brainstorm 10 weeks vlogging, was very exhausting. I was really empty after I finished everything after the last presentation. And also besides that, I still have my full-time job, and my full-time job really, it was just getting busier and busier in December. And usually it is like that on the end of the year and in the beginning of the year, that we have just more to do. And this year it was really intense somehow. And also, I think it's just has to do also with working at home and you're constantly in front of your work desk and you're just continuously working so you can handle more. And I think most of the people try to finish stuff until the end of the year so they don't have so much on their plate on the beginning of the year. And that was really the trap for me because I was just really working a lot in December. And then I took off, which was really good. I took almost the half of December off over Christmas, the first couple of days in January, which was really good for me because again, I was really empty. And I felt that I needed I just felt that I needed a break of everything. No social media, no YouTube, no drawing, no painting, just everything which was required for my job. But besides that, nothing. I basically haven't done anything. I was just like reading books, sleeping a lot, spending time with my family as I could. And yeah, that was really good for me. But I also, of course, had always in the back of my head, okay, 2021 is coming. What do we do for 2021? What is the plan? Sorry, my phone. Yeah, so I was also thinking a lot about what's the plan for 2021 for the channel, for the upcoming content, for my Patreon, for my Skillshare class, everything I do besides work. Because as you guys know, I really enjoy the hustle of doing work. For me, it is like mostly just enjoying the act of doing it. So then it's kind of difficult to cater basically a direction where I wanted to go. And the first thing which really came to my mind, which I think is important to me, or I believe, is like building up our community. So one of the very positive things of the whole vlogging brainstorm project was basically that we built our own community. And I don't know why I haven't thought about that before, but it just happened over the first stream we did that I realized, okay, people were interacting on the chat on the stream, which was really cool. So I decided to quickly create a Discord channel with my buddy Paul, who helped me on just making everything and creating all the channels and stuff. And that was pretty cool. That's something I really want to build up on. So I feel like building a community where people exchange experience, knowledge, resources, and can help each other without me being an entertainer there. It's more about like people helping each other and having a safe environment for their questions and for their needs. So I really want to more like go into that direction of building a community. If you guys want to join, I put the Discord button on the banner right on the YouTube channel, on the YouTube channel when you come on the main site. And that's something I really want to work on. I'm brainstorming a lot of ideas on what could I do with the community, with you guys, what would be interesting, but also where could you guys participate, you know? Like what you could do, what could we do together, just while learning new things or trying out new things, whatever it is. So that would be my first question to you guys also, because this whole channel is about an interaction between you and me. It's about our community. So my first question would be for you guys, what do you want to do in 2021? Are there any topics you're interested about? Are there any things you want to learn more about the art industry or about practicing, about different techniques? Is it maybe not about directly getting better as artists? Is it more about the financial side? That would be good to know from you guys. So it would be great if you just can, I don't know, write 1 or 2 words down in the comments below. Just let me know what is interesting for you, because I feel like I really want to take your guys' input to validate at the end, okay, what could be a really cool direction for us as a community. And besides the community aspect, I also, of course, wanted to wrap up the brainstorm project, which I still will do. I really want to make a good video because I feel like the whole project deserves a good video. For the next couple weeks, I'm still finishing working on that video for the wrap-up video, which I can tell already, which will basically be a guide on how to take a brainstorm class. Because I just wanted to take all my experience, all the things I did wrong, in one package and give you guys a guide or a guideline on how to take a brainstorm class. Because I want you to have an easier time on deciding what class you should take, considering all the things which come with that, all the variables of when is the time, what is the price, how long it's going to be, what is your level, etc., etc. So that's will be one episode. And I also filmed already another episode with an artist colleague of mine, which I'm also editing at the moment, which also will come with a very interesting topic. That's also something what will come in the next couple of weeks. Besides that, I wrote down a lot of different things, but I don't want it to go there that I'm basically making the 102 video of how to render something or how to paint a landscape or how to draw hands. I don't see the need there because there's a lot of resources out there and I'm still not really sure what direction this channel is gonna be, you know? I'm really thinking about like, should this be a channel which is like only about getting better with art, or should it also be a combination of getting better with art, becoming a better person and learning the act of self-management when it comes to deciding that you want to have a career in art? There are so many things which are in my head right now. And I felt like I wanted to start a conversation with you guys. If you have any input, any contribution you want to give, anything you want to do, if it's just like joining the community and you want to share your artwork there, feel free to do so. Other than that, yeah, I hope you guys are in a good mood, you're healthy, you're drawing and painting. That's everything from my side for today. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day wherever you are, and hopefully see you guys soon. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.
Giving up unless it's real. A slippery slope, it's not enough to please you. Pretty